Hey, welcome back. Now picture this. A company's hiring, they're running background checks, feeling like pros, then bam, a new hire slips through with a hidden record. And it's chaos. Everyone's asking, what happened? Why? Well, they didn't master the basics of screening. Today, we're fixing that by walking through this Certified Screening Hero Masterclass, your roadmap to becoming a screening expert. And let me tell you a story from my days as a youth football coach. And I was working with a young team, and I was helping an 8-year-old player in a tackling drill. And he's trying to stop another player from getting around him, trying to tackle him, but he keeps missing, and he's frustrated. He's head down, he's feeling defeated. And I'm throwing out all my best coaching. Keep your leverage. It's all about angles. Stay on the outside shoulder. But he's still struggling. And then finally, he nails it. Boom. Great. Perfect. And this kid's beaming, and he runs over to me. He looks at me and he says, hey, coach, I did it. And I'm like, heck yeah, man, you did. That was awesome. And then he grins at me real big and says, coach, you got to run fast. And that was his secret. All my fancy coaching. And what he needed was just the basics. Hey, man, run fast. Same thing in screening right now, and it's kind of where I want to start with you today. You can't outsmart fraudsters or dodge compliance traps if you don't nail the fundamentals. This masterclass starts there and builds you into an expert. Think of this course as your superhero training camp. You've got 14 modules to power you up. Now, whether you're new to screening or ready to level up, each module builds your expertise step by step. The masterclass is designed to transform the way you think about background checks, from a routine task to a critical safeguard. Now, you'll gain a deep understanding of the screening landscape, from navigating complex data and legal requirements to identifying fraud and making confident, compliant hiring decisions. Along the way, you'll learn how to build high-quality screening processes, leverage technology wisely, and work effectively with vendors. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to protect your organization and hire with confidence, and using our proven SOAR method to guide every step. Here's what you get. Whether you're a buyer ordering background checks or an expert running the show, this course transforms you. Buyers, you'll learn to spot weak packages and demand quality. Experts, those of you with more experience, you'll master data sources, compliance, and fraud detection. Everyone walks away knowing how to close gaps in the screening process, verify identities to stop fraud cold, make decisions to protect your company and stay legal, and then build partnerships with vendors who deliver. And that SOAR process, it's your secret weapon to catch risks early and save literally millions, just like it's done for Fortune 500s and nonprofits alike. Now, I'm your coach, and I've got your back. And I've been in the trenches, I've seen the mistakes, and built solutions that work. This isn't just a course. You can make it a playbook to run fast, start with the basics, and become a superhero when it comes to screening. Who's this for? HR, recruiters, compliance, risk managers, rookie or pro, you're leveling up, ready to master screening and protect your organization. So let's do this. Next up, we're diving deeper into the screening world. Stick with me, heroes. This is where you start running fast.